It was a stormy night in Southampton, and all the engines were in the sheds. They were just about to go to sleep when Mr. Wilbert arrived. "I need an engine to take a late-night goods train to the other railway. Any volunteers?" But no one wanted to go out in the rain. "I'll take it, sir. The rain won't be a problem for me." "Thank you, Ray, and good luck." And so Mr. Wilbert left. Ray was a little scared of the thunder, but he wanted to make his delivery. "Good luck, Ray." "Thanks, Maria. I might need it." Ray was coupled up to the trucks, and he headed off. The journey was going well, until... The next morning, the engines were wondering where Ray was, and so was Mr. Wilbert, as he heard that Ray didn't arrive to the other railway. So, they decided to look for him. It wasn't long before Maria found Ray at the bottom of a bridge. She brought the breakdown train, and they carefully lifted him back onto the tracks. "Are you okay, Ray?" "No, but thank you for getting me out of there, Maria." "You're very welcome. Come on, let's get you to the repair yard."